In the bustling world of aviation, innovation is constantly on the horizon. One such innovation that's been making waves is the concept of remote air traffic control, ATC. And when it comes to pioneering this technology, Chicago O'Hare International Airport stands at the forefront. This is Metro Mindset, your virtual classroom for intellectual exploration and personal growth, where we delve into diverse topics, sparking curiosity and expanding minds one video at a time. Picture this: a future where traditional ATC towers are no longer a fixture on the airport landscape. Instead, advanced technology and cutting-edge systems allow air traffic controllers to manage the skies from a remote location, miles away from the airport itself. At Chicago O'Hare, this vision is becoming a reality. The airport, known for its size and complexity, is embracing the future with its remote tower center. This state-of-the-art facility is set to revolutionize the way air traffic is managed, not just at O'Hare, but potentially at airports around the world. So, how does it work? Imagine a room filled with high-resolution screens displaying panoramic views of the airport and its surroundings. These views are captured by a network of cameras strategically positioned around the airport, providing comprehensive coverage of the airspace and runways. In this room, skilled air traffic controllers work their magic. Using real-time data and advanced algorithms, they guide aircraft safely through takeoff, landing, and everything in between. And thanks to the remote setup, these controllers can easily collaborate with colleagues, share information, and coordinate flights seamlessly. But why the shift to remote ATC? The benefits are manifold. For starters, it enhances safety by providing controllers with a more comprehensive view of the airport and its surroundings. With advanced camera technology, they can spot potential hazards and respond swiftly to any emergencies. Moreover, remote ATC offers flexibility like never before. Controllers can easily adapt to changing conditions, whether it's fluctuating weather patterns or unexpected air traffic volume. And with the ability to remotely manage multiple airports from a single center, resources can be allocated more efficiently, reducing costs and improving overall operational efficiency. Of course, embracing such groundbreaking technology isn't without its challenges. There are concerns about cybersecurity, potential technical glitches, and the need for rigorous training to ensure controllers are adept at using the new systems. But with careful planning and collaboration between industry stakeholders, these challenges can be overcome. As Chicago O'Hare takes bold steps toward a future of remote ATC, it's clear that the sky's the limit. By embracing innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible, airports around the world can usher in a new era of safer, more efficient air travel for generations to come.